Urban development. Speaker sir, the allocation of the urban development of rupees 604.32 crores. The grant to the local bodies have been increased by 26.33%, and for the smart city work, the provision of rupees 150 crores has been made. Speaker sir, in order to regulate the urban growth and the future development of town and cities, my government has decided to prepare master plan for all urban local bodies. Initially, preparation of the master plans for Margaon, Mapsa, Fonda and Valpoi Municipal Council is underway. Master plan developed for Sakli will be implemented expeditiously. Speaker sir, my government is committed for the rehabilitation of the notified slum dwellers in urban areas of Margaon, Marmagua and Panji, for which the special provision of the 5 crores has been made. Speaker sir, my government has also initiated GIA-based survey of all properties that are managed by urban local bodies for the purpose of correct tax assessment and management for the properties with the view of achieving the transparency and accountability. Speaker sir, under PM Swanidhi scheme, a total 1,868 loans have been given till date. The validity of this scheme is till December 2024, and I appeal all the street vendors operating in the state to take the benefit under this scheme.